Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw baby Boneca Ambalabu from Italian Brainrot. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. On the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Let's leave quite a big gap now, and we're going to come over on the right and replicate that. Now coming in from the side for the pupil, we're going to arch this line around and then down towards the bottom. On the top now in the inner corner, let's draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. And then moving down on a diagonal, we're going to draw in another smaller circle. Now as we come in towards the middle for the nostrils, we're just going to curve this line around, over, back in, and then we'll do the same as we come across on the left. So now let's draw in the shape of the head. So coming up around our eyes, we're going to arch this around and then down. We'll do the same on the left. Let's connect these together now by drawing in a nice big arch line. Closing off the side of the cheeks now, let's bring this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same on the right. Just blending that back together on the bottom. Underneath our eye now on both sides, we're going to draw in a small arch line. In the center, let's draw in a sideways oval. And then moving up on a diagonal on both sides, we're going to replicate that, just making that smaller. Now from here for the mouth, in the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then up on both sides. Let's close off the center of the mouth now. So we're going to bring this line down, up, and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same over on the right. Let's come down and draw in the tire now for the body. So on the left side, we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom of our page. Let's do the same thing as we move down on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line. In the center, let's draw in a straight line directly down. And then on the left and right hand side, again, we're just going to curve this back down towards the bottom. Now in the middle, let's draw in the letter V. And we're going to leave an even amount of space and come down and replicate that. And then we'll do that again one more time. Now from each line, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on each side. So we're going to replicate this on the right. And then we'll do the same thing, replicating it over on the left. Now let's draw in our feet. So coming down, we're going to bring this line straight down on the left and right hand side. And then from each corner, we're going to curve this around, back in. Again, stepping over, curving this in. And then again, one more time, bringing this over and down. And then from that corner, just bringing this line back up towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw baby Boneca Ambalabu. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.